Let me show you how to make this sugar-free condensed milk. This is not your date syrup. This is suitable for those who are vegans, those who are lactose intolerant, or you want to eat healthy in general. This is a suitable substitute for your regular condensed milk in your desserts. So stick around with me. Let me show you how to make this from the comfort of your kitchen. So to make this, you need your coconut. This is 4 pieces of coconut. You can use any quantity of your choice, but make sure you're using the coconut that is not dry. Use this type of coconut because it's going to give you the best results with creamy juice, while the other dry one is going to give you lots of oil. So let me show you a quick way to remove your shell from the coconut if you are finding it difficult. Now you want to place your coconut on the fire directly like so that it's going to eat up the shell. After you notice one side is heated, you want to flip it to the other side till everywhere is heated, and you're going to see some cracks on it. Can you see this crack? So when you see crack on it like so, you want to take it off because it is ready, and make sure everywhere is heated. And you can see how easy it is for me to take off the shell. Now see how old this coconut is after removing the shell. This way you can get your coconut water without stress. So next I'm going to get my sweetener of choice, and that is dates. So you are using dates as the sweetener. You can use any sweetener of your choice. You can use honey. My date is already deseeded. This is a quick hack. You can do it like so and put it in your freezer, then bring it out whenever you need it. That way it will be easy for you to use. So next you are going to blend, and I'm going to cut this into pieces. See, the coconut will remove the shell. See how white it is. And if you are wondering if the fire will have an effect on the taste, it doesn't. So just be careful the way you eat it. It should not burn burn too much so that it does not affect the taste. So I'm going to blend this till it is smooth. Can you see how creamy this is? So you want to repeat the same process till you exhaust all the coconuts. Add more water to it if you feel the water you added initially is not enough, and give everything a good mix like so before sieving. So now your coconut juice is ready to be sieved. You want to bring out your cheesecloth or your chiffon cloth and strain it out. You want to strain out this chaff and bring out the juice because that is what you need. So this is my chiffon cloth. You can see that there are some stain in it. This is the one I use for my dates, and this white one is the one I use for my pap and the rest. So I don't want to use this one so it does not stain like the first one. Okay, so you want to have like 2 cheesecloths for different purposes. You can even have more than 2 because dates can really be messy. It does not go off, the color, the stain does not go off. Now strain the chaff out from the juice and repeat the process till you are done with all. This is how your juice should be looking when you are done sieving. Next, you want to take it to your pot because you'll be boiling. And I forgot to add, if you want your condensed milk to be very tasty, you want to add enough dates to it because it's going to increase the sweetness. So now you want to take this to your stove top and allow to boil on a low heat, medium to low heat. So you want to stir this during intervals. You don't want to leave it like that on the pot and do something else because it's going to burn under, and you don't want that. If it burns, your condensed milk is going to come out bitter. That is not what you want. This is how you know if it is getting ready. See, the water is going off gradually. When you see those white thing on it, it is not ready, but it is almost ready. So when you see this bubble boiling at the middle like so, then your condensed milk is ready. Then after taking it down, you want to allow it to cool completely before you can this. This is the perfect consistency. You don't want it too thick because when it's cooled totally, it's still going to be thick. So you want to allow this to cool, and this is when it is totally cooled. Yes, this is how you want your condensed milk to look like. So creamy. Can you see how creamy this is looking? So creamy. And this consistency is perfect. This consistency is what you want. I'm using these bottles to store my condensed milk. You can store your condensed milk in a container just like so, and keep it in your fridge or in your freezer to last you for months, for days, as long as you want it. So if I have extra, I'm going to be putting it in this small bottle. If you are not yet subscribed, this is the perfect time for you to do so. Please give the video a thumbs up so that you get to those who might need it, and share your thoughts in the comment section. Will you be trying this recipe? Let me know in the comment section, and I will see you in the next one. You know I love you, right? I'm Fit Uche. I will see you in the next one. Lots of kisses and bye for now. Mwah.